How to use Google Authenticator app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can use the Google Authenticator app. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to use the Google Authenticator app, you need to download the application onto your device. But unfortunately, I can't record the screen due to the security policy of the app. So I'm just gonna briefly tell you on how you can use it. So as I said, first of all, you need to download the app to your smartphone or tablet or wherever, Android or iOS. After that, open the app and tap on the Get Started button. And then you will have the option to either log in with your Google account or use the app without logging in. So if you log in into your Google account, a Google Authenticator will save your 2FA data for you. After that, the next step is to pick up which online account you want to set up with the Google Authenticator. The websites you visit most often likely support multi-factor authentication through the app. From Amazon and Gmail to TikTok, Dropbox, the steps vary a little, but the overall process is essentially the same. So once you've selected the account, the rest of the setup can go one of the two ways. You can either scan or QR code using the camera on your smartphone or manually enter the 16-digit code. So let's say you are using Amazon's login process as an example. So the first thing is you need to log in into your Amazon account and go to the account page. After that, choose login and security and click turn on two-factor authentication and get started. After selecting, you'll see the code via text message. Instead, choose the option for the Authenticator app. You can also see your QR code. You may scan the QR code as well. After that, you may use that 16-digit code as well. You may just copy it and get back to Google Authenticator app. After that, set up the key and you'll be receiving a 6-digit code from now onwards that you may use in order to access your particular app, for example Amazon right now. So just follow those steps and you should be able to use the Google Authenticator app very easily and make your app and everything more secure. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.